Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unboxing. Um, Before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I know I sound like a broken record because I say the exact same thing pretty much every video, but I do appreciate y'all and I want you to know that. Whether you just subscribed today or you've been a subscriber of mine since day one, I appreciate you. So, hope everyone has had a great day, night, whatever the time it is where you're at. Hope you're having a great one. So, what do I have here, you might wonder? Well, if you don't know, my birthday is New Year's Eve, and Diamond Art Club dropped a couple of new kits on New Year's Eve. Hold on. Okay. Buster and Booger, I gave them a treat right before I started doing the video. Buster gobbled his up real quick. Booger takes his time, and while Booger is trying to eat his treat, Buster sits right in his, like, nose to nose, just waiting, hoping he misses a crumb. So, anyway, I don't even know what I was, Diamond Art Club dropped a few kits, I'm assuming, because they did not have this kit and several others that I've seen after Christmas. So it might have been because it was, just the new week. I don't know. Either way, I don't care. I seen this and I had to have it because, y'all, look at what it is. Is it not gorgeous? So this was my birthday gift to me. So this is called Diamond Girl, and it's by Marilyn Kazanev. I don't know. I butchered the crap out of that. So it's a 55.6 centimeter by 55.6 centimeter, and it is a round. So this is, the box itself is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to open this up and we're going to take a look-see. Where is... So when I seen this, I almost didn't get it because it's all pink and girly and it says Diamond Girl. And I was like, but my Boston Terriers are both boys. And then I got to thinking, well, it doesn't mean that is a girl. That could be a boy, and the mug just says Diamond Girl. So, yeah, I went ahead and got it. I love it. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh my God, I gotta have it. So, it is a new kit. Oh, Buster, get down. It's not food, dude. And what I mean by that is it's in the new box that Diamond Art Club has started doing. It has the new toolkit. Here is the thank you. Plus, it has your tips and tricks, your 20% off, your kit contents. There's your Facebook group and your instructions. And then it comes with your little card here that has your start date, end date, has the picture of the kit, all the info, and then all your stickers that are individually cut so that you can put these on your canisters or bags or whatever you use to kit up. So this has got 74 colors. And it looks like we have got 1, 2, 3 ABs, an L, I don't know what that is, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fairy dust. Wow. That's a lot of special drills in here. I did not realize it had all that. That's cool. That's neat. I like it. So, let's look at the toolkit real quick. So, it comes with the Diamond Art Club putty pen, I guess is what y'all call this. I don't know. But it comes with the thin 4-placer on one end, and then this is single, and you just pop that off. And, ooh, this is a different tip. Because usually it has got the little plastic on the end. So, hey, this is new. Anyway, you twist this, and the putty comes out of the end there. Has a thing of bags. Here's your tray. Has a pat of pink wax. It also has the 7-placer. Here's your white putty. Your tray has a stopper. All the good things. Okay. I don't know if that will fit. I guess not. And the tray, if I can get this back in there. What am I doing wrong? Am I doing it upside down? Just not putting it in there right. Are you kidding me? There we go. And it is branded with the Diamond Art Club logo. So there is the toolkit. And that's all that is in there. So I guess they've quit putting the plastic tips on and started putting a regular metal tip back on there. I don't know. So we have the card that has got the picture, the name, and everything on that. So there's that. I'm going to move the box. Just put all of that in there. And y'all, this is the kit that I am doing for diamond painting with friends. This month it is Wendy, I believe. Diamonds and Dragons. I will put a link to her channel in my description box, along with Laura, who is Crafty Chef Diamond, and Donna, who is Diamond Art Joy. I will leave a link to all three of them in my description box, along with the Diamond Painting with Friends Facebook group. So, I am doing Virus Detected by Randall Spangler, the little dragon, because that's the theme this month, is the dragons. Designer dragons is the theme. And like I said, I will leave all that info in my description box so that y'all can go check it out and you can participate. And let's see. Oh, and when you do, if you have any pictures, you can put it's hashtag Diamond Painting with Friends 2025. So, here's the drills. And I'm not going to take all these out. You can see the colors. This is a round kit, like I said. Look at those. Those are so pretty. All those different purples and greens, pinks. The oranges, yellow. We've got white. Got, looks like maybe 1 or 2 bags of 310. Not bad. Yeah. Gorgeous. So, let me flip this around and roll it backwards. It is poured glue. It has the velvety canvas, or the back is like a velvety top material. And you can see that it is scalloped and serged so that it does not fray. Has on the top, it has Diamond Art Club's logo. Do What Makes You Sparkle. And we have the plastic on here that I do not like. That has got this pink paint on it. that sometimes will bleed through to your canvas. Thank goodness it didn't on this one that I see. Plus this is each square is sectioned. That's what that is, so that you can see where the sections are, and then it's perforated to where you can rip it in that section. So it has a schematic over here on the left, has another one over here on the right, has the name and the picture, your all your info right here on the bottom. It has the Facebook, Instagram, and your percentage off in the middle. And then it has the Diamond Art Club guarantee. So, look at him. Beautiful. I love the colors. I love because it's a Bostie. Because that's, boop, my babies. And I love the coffee mug that says Diamond Girl. He's holding a single placer pink pen. His little collar has got a diamond dangle on it. And I just love all the little diamonds around in the corners. Isn't that so cute? And then he's got a diamond painting canvas right here under his feet. Can y'all see that? That he's working on. Cute. So, so cute. And you can see, maybe, hopefully, my lighting's not terrible. Very clear. Very, very clear. And like I said, good stick. 74 colors. You know what? Yes, we are going to look at these, because I want to see what those are. Alright. So we have one, looks like maybe 4 strands. So here are the colors. Let me bring y'all down some. This is going to be the strip that doesn't have very many. Really pretty. And I didn't even look to see if there was any of the special ones on this strand. I don't think there was. No. Alright. So there's that strand. Just set them over there out of the way. Ooh, here's an AB. Ooh, is that not just gorgeous? Oh my God. That is pretty. Look at all those different pinks, some purples. There is 6012, one of the new DMC colors. There's 6011, and then there's 6014. Y'all, I didn't even know that they had come up with new colors until my last canvas that I did, Sunshine, because I was like, what are these numbers? So there is the L310. So it's a crystal is what it is. You'll see it. It's a crystal. And then here is fairy dust. Here is another fairy dust. There is 6002. Here is an AB. It's a yellow. And then we have another fairy dust right there. These are such beautiful, bright, vibrant colors. Oh my God, I love them. There's 6010. Here's the other AB, 5,200. There is another fairy dust. I'm really surprised at how many fairy dust and stuff are in this. Look, only one bag of 310s. That's awesome. There is the last fairy dust. Very pretty. There's my favorite color, 550. So, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh my God, gorgeous. This is going to be so much bling in this that I would not even add any extra. I don't think it's going to need it because I think it's going to have enough. Because I can just imagine where all these are going to go. I imagine they're probably going to go in here in the words, probably in the collar. You know they're probably going to be scattered in those. And probably some, maybe, in his eyes or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. So, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? I think he is gorgeous. So, I don't know when I'm going to get to this, but I will definitely get to it this year because I love it. Yeah. So, all right. So, like I said, I got this for myself for my birthday, and I am so happy I did. So, what do y'all think? Did anybody else get this one? And then there is another one that has a cat on it. I don't know what it says, though, but I remember I seen it, and it's basically the same. I mean, it's different, but instead of it having a dog on there, it's a cat. So, I thought she was pretty, too. But, oh my gosh, these two are right underneath my feet. So yeah. So leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all thought. And do y'all have it? Did anybody else purchase this? So pretty. All right, y'all. So don't forget, check out my description box. Woo, they just hit the table. That way you can go check out the canvas. I will put a link to this canvas in the description box. And then you can go check out all the people that I mentioned and the Facebook group for Diamond Painting with Friends. And subscribe to everyone. Because it's all about making friends and seeing each other's channels and just, you know, being a good community of like-minded people. So, all right, y'all. I do hope you enjoyed this video. And until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.